let's talk about applying true double spacing, 1-inch margins, and how to indent your paragraphs. So the first thing we're going to do is apply the true double spacing to your document. Again, if you'll press the Control A, because you want to select your entire document, this spacing applies to the entire document. Do not add extra spacing between the date and the title, or the title and the first paragraph. So what you're going to do is, again on the Home tab, in the Paragraph section, click the little tiny arrow beside of the paragraph, the word paragraph, and this is going to pop up, and you're going to see that the default for this version of Microsoft Word is in spacing 0 point before, which is correct for MLA, and 8 point after. You need to have 0 before, 0 after, and then of course you guys all know double spacing. And then click OK. If you've added any additional spaces by pressing the Enter key, you would need to go back and remove those extra spaces. So for example, if I had already pressed the Enter key after I typed the date, then I would need to delete that. Okay, we need to also remember to indent every single paragraph. And the way that you do that is you put your cursor beside the first word of each paragraph and press the Tab key. Do you see how it goes over a 1/2 inch? That's exactly what you want yours to do. If yours goes over 1/4 inch, meaning right here, then you do not want that. You want to press the Tab key again. You know, I told you guys the best way to use Microsoft Word efficiently is to always have the ruler on. If you press the View tab and you can choose in the Show section the ruler, this will make your life so much easier. When you press that Tab key and it does not go a 1/2 inch over, then you can physically drag that little triangle over to the 1/2 inch mark. So basically your entire essay starts from the left of 1-inch margin, and all of your paragraphs are indented to 1.5 inches. Let's check to see that we have 1-inch margins all the way around. So if you'll again press the Control A, and then we're going to go to the Layout option, the Layout tab, the far left in the Margin section. You're going to make sure you've got normal. Now this is perfect. We have perfect 1-inch margins. But what I see repeatedly in student work is this. So the students will indent their MLA heading over to 1.5 inches. Please do not do that. Everything is going to be at the left 1-inch margin. Okay, except for what? Your title and the first line of each paragraph. So the title is centered. The first line of each paragraph is at the 1.5 inch margin. But when you press the Tab key, it should be set. The default is to indent a 1/2 inch. Again, if you need to do anything, whenever you press that Tab key, let me make the tab show up right quick. Whenever you press the Tab key, if it does not take you, if it, for example, takes you here to the 1/4 inch, then all you have to do is drag it over to the 1/2 inch. It's that simple.